Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, how to choose the right credit card for your needs. With so many options out there, choosing the wrong card can mean paying high fees without getting value, missing out on rewards that could save you money, damaging your credit score instead of improving it. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick the best credit card based on your lifestyle, spending habits, and financial goals. If you're ready to take control of your finances and make smarter decisions, stick around. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Before choosing a credit card, ask yourself, why do I need one? Credit cards aren't just for spending, they can help you earn cash back or travel rewards on everyday purchases. Build or rebuild your credit score for future loans. Manage big purchases with 0% interest promotions. Cover emergencies when cash isn't available. Knowing your goal will help you find the right card. Let's go over the different types. Now that you know why you need a credit card, let's break down the different types and which one fits your needs best. 1. Rewards credit cards, best for everyday spenders. Earn points, miles, or cash back on purchases. Ideal for people who pay their balance in full every month. Some offer sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. Examples: Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture Rewards, Citi Double Cash. Best for frequent travelers, shoppers, and high spenders. 2. Cashback credit cards, best for saving money. Get a percentage of your money back on purchases. Some cards offer higher cash back on groceries, gas, or dining. No complicated reward systems, just straight savings. Examples: Discover It, Cashback, Chase, Freedom Flex, American Express Blue, Cash every day. Best for budget-conscious people who want to save on everyday expenses. 3. Low interest and 0% APR cards, best for managing debt. 0% interest for a set period, 6 to 21 months. Helps if you need to pay off a large purchase over time. Reduces the burden of high interest payments. Examples: Citi Simplicity Card, Wells Fargo Reflect, Chase Slate Edge. Best for people carrying balances who need time to pay off debt. 4. Secured credit cards, best for credit building. Requires a refundable deposit, which acts as your credit limit. Helps people with no credit or bad credit establish a score. Reports activity to all 3 credit bureaus. Examples: Capital One Platinum Secured, Discovery Secured, Chime Credit Builder. Best for first-time credit users, students, or those rebuilding credit. 5. Student credit cards, best for college students. Designed for students with little to no credit history. Often have no annual fees and offer small rewards. Helps young adults start building credit responsibly. Examples: Discovery RR, Chase Freedom Student, Capital One Saver One Student. Best for students looking to build credit while earning rewards. Once you know which type of card you need, here's how to compare different options and find the best one for you. 1. Check the interest rate, APR. APR, annual percentage rate, is what you'll pay in interest if you don't pay off your balance in full. Look for low APR cards if you might carry a balance. 2. Look for no annual fees if possible. Some cards charge yearly fees, $95 to $500 plus, but many have no annual fee. If a card has an annual fee, make sure the benefits outweigh the cost. 3. Compare the rewards and perks. Cashback, travel points, or statement credits, which suits your lifestyle best. Some cards offer sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. 4. Consider foreign transaction fees if you travel. If you travel internationally, choose a card with no foreign transaction fees. 5. Check the credit score requirements. Some cards require good to excellent credit, 700 plus, while others approve beginners, 580 plus. Use sites like NerdWallet or Credit Karma to compare cards and find the best fit. Now that you know how to pick the right credit card, let's go over common mistakes to avoid. Applying for too many cards at once. Each application lowers your score. Ignoring the fine print, watch out for hidden fees or high interest rates. Missing payments, even one late payment hurts your credit for years. Choosing the wrong rewards. Don't get a travel card if you rarely travel. Avoiding these mistakes will set you up for long-term financial success. Quick recap. Decide why you need a credit card. Choose the right type based on your goals. Compare interest rates, fees, and rewards. Avoid common mistakes that hurt your credit score. By following these steps, you'll pick a credit card that works for you, not against you. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know which card you're thinking of getting. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.